The Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing is one of the most iconic cars ever built, revered for its unique design and impressive engineering. For years, this car has been a fixture at high-end collector car auctions, with prices regularly reaching $1.52 million. But for many, owning a real 300 SL Gullwing is a dream far beyond their budget. However, what if you could have the looks and feel of this legendary car without spending millions? Enter the world of replicas, and this one, based on a 2001 Mercedes SLK 320, is truly remarkable. Currently up for auction on Bring a Trailer, this SLK-based 300 SL Gullwing replica is a testament to how far replica cars have come. The process began with a red 2001 SLK 320 that had just 37,000 miles on the clock. Over several years, the car was meticulously transformed into a car that looks almost indistinguishable from the real thing, both on the outside and inside. The transformation began with some serious modifications. The car's original body was replaced with a fiberglass shell designed to replicate the look of the 1954-1957 300 SL Gullwing. The rear wheel arches, the distinctive Gullwing doors, and even the metal frame structure to build up the door sills were added with great attention to detail. If you saw this car parked next to a real Gullwing, you might find it hard to tell the difference, at least from a distance. One of the most impressive features of this replica is the interior. Often the cabin is where replicas fall short, but not in this case. The car's interior has been fitted with a classic Mercedes-style gauge setup and even includes an original-style flip-down steering wheel. This addition helps replicate the unique experience of getting into a genuine Gullwing, where the steering wheel needs to be lowered so the driver can slide behind it. The craftsmanship here makes it clear that the builder was committed to achieving a faithful homage. While it's certainly impressive, there are still a few obvious clues that reveal this as a replica rather than the real thing. The steel wheels, although they give off that classic vibe, have knockoff spinners that are not quite like those on the real 300 SL's magnesium wheels. You'll also spot modern switches and a handbrake under the dashboard. The hood of the car opens the wrong way, unlike the iconic rear-hinged hood on a true Gullwing. These differences might be more noticeable to those familiar with the original, but for the average onlooker, this car would likely pass for the real thing. As for performance, this replica benefits from the reliability and safety features of a modern car. Powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine that produces 215 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this car should deliver a driving experience that's very close to that of the original 300 SL, albeit with some modern conveniences. With ABS and traction control, the car offers a more secure and predictable drive, which is a definite improvement over the old-school 300 SL. At the time of writing, this replica had already garnered impressive bids, reaching $141,000 with 5 days left in the auction. While that's far from the multi-million-dollar price tag of a real 300 SL Gullwing, it's still a significant investment for a car based on the SLK. Yet, for those who have always wanted to own a Gullwing, but couldn't justify the astronomical price, this is a much more affordable alternative. This replica is not a full-fledged toolroom replica like the ones Jaguar or Aston Martin have created for their classic models, which cost as much as the originals. Instead, it's a more affordable and fun homage that allows enthusiasts to enjoy the look and feel of the iconic Gullwing without the financial burden. It might not be the real thing, but it offers a lot of the same thrills. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing but couldn't justify the cost, this SLK-based replica may just be the next best thing. It's a true labor of love and offers an experience that comes surprisingly close to the original, all at a fraction of the price.